So if you are not coming, so I have to depend on the slum house, where the slum house can be purchased. Definitely I will invest. I will take a loan from my friends. I will invest, and after the election, your public money will go there. Don't make me a corrupt. So for that you can help me coming to the booth. I know that if you come to booth, you definitely vote me only, because I am user-friendly MLA, and I can understand the issues. And you have tested me already. Brought about 1,356 crores to the constituency, and which are there in the. It's there in the book. It is 1,248 crores. Then it went for the printing. After that, 107 crores I brought from different departments. You are from my department.